It's a huge privilege to have a superstar Ajay Devgan with us here in Ramoji Studio in Hyderabad. Sir, wonderful to have you back on Bollywood Hungama first of all.
Thank you so much.
Wonderful to just hear your thoughts. Actually, you rarely open up so much the way you spoke today. How was the experience of just interacting?
Credit goes to you all, because if you all ask me sensible questions, I open up.
Right.
You know, otherwise the questions are same old stuff. So then you really can't. You don't know what to say.
You just said that you come to know that during the making of a movie that which movie is going to be working,
No,
and
not
the
always.
excitement you're.
Not always. Sometimes we are also wrong.
Right.
But yeah, most of the time, if you're not biased, you come to come.
Right.
You do come.
You seem excited about the entire Singham Returns on the set of
We've seen
Right.
there, standing from Reliance.
Right.
He's seen it.
Right.
They have gone mad yesterday. They saw something about 1 hour of the film.
Right.
So the reaction is outstanding.
Right. What's the duration of the film?
Duration will be normal, like 2 hours, 10 minutes or whatever.
I was just speaking to Rohit and we just discussed that Singham is one of the characters that आपके जब filmography के बारे में बात होगी तो it will always be remembered as one of your most special films as well.
Yeah.
Because its characterization is very solid as well.
Yeah.
So tell us about how the characterization goes forward in the sequel.
He's progressed.
Right.
What is nice is that he's still that hardcore cop from the village,
Right.
coming into city.
Right.
This time it's Mumbai city. And the whole attitude that when you're fighting the elite, and his attitude is कि सिंघम की जगह बदली है, शहर बदला है, काम करने का तरीका नहीं.
Right.
So it just grows on you.
Dialogue Bazi, I think was the hallmark of Singham. So does it?
Yes.
Sajid
of
Farhat
course.
has written the dialogue.
Sajid Farhat.
Okay, so any of your favorite dialogues that you like? I think
It's too early to talk about.
When you're just working with Rohit, the sort of comfort level that you share with them, how is it that Rohit has evolved over the years?
I think he's the topmost director today.
Right.
So do I have to answer this question?
Right.
No, he's
So basically, I'm saying that since the age of 15, he has been working with
He has been, and he's always been very hardworking. And today also, I think we have to meet deadlines. We are all a little tired.
Right.
He's the only one who's standing there working day, night, and editing and doing everything. And we are like giving up, but he's not giving up. So that kind of hard work he puts in.
Right. You also spoke about the action bit that you have tried to do a few of the action scenes without the cable as well.
I said I like doing it.
You like doing
I like doing it, and what we can do, we should do. Today's kids can't do, so we do it.
Right. In terms of action, what different are you trying in action?
In this film, action is very real, but the highs are still there.
Right.
So it's not just real; it's real with highs.
Karina, you said that she tries to become Singham in terms of. I think does she?
That's the character. That was the answer to the question that why did women like Singham once, which I answered you, and in two, in fact, Karina is doing what today's woman wants to do.
Right.
So that's the difference, and when and that's what they're going to like, because I think every woman out there is so aggressive from inside because they've been suppressed all their lives,
Right.
generations. That today they are ready. They're ready to go all out, and when they watch a character like this, who's a woman and does something, I think it works very well.
Supporting cast of Singham was very interesting. Tell us something about the supporting cast.
Everybody is fabulous, from Amul Gupte to
Gupta is playing the main role.
yeah, he's there. Mahesh is there, and we've kept the characters very real. So rest we picked most of them from stage and drama and things like this, so that the film looks very real.
Recently, Shah Rukh visited the sets in Mumbai. Do you think the media makes too much about the entire thing?
Yeah, it was a very normal thing,
Right.
and I don't know. I also read it. Yeah, but fair enough. It's okay.
Right. You're producing, I think, a film for Kajol. Could you tell us something about it?
It's too early to talk about it.
Right. And you're planning to direct once again as well, finally.
Yeah, that's next year. I'll talk about that later.
Right. Action Jackson, how is it shaped up?
It's shaped up very well.
Right.
I'm just waiting to finish this and then get out to that.
Thank you very much, sir. All the best. Thanks a lot.